Okay, so we continued our experimentation, so I couldn't help but want to show it to you. So on here, I left the corn syrup on the bottom, but I poured out some stuff, and I put water in the middle and more vegetable oil on top. And then the funny part was, actually I put water in the middle, and then I put purple food coloring and the vegetable oil on top. And when I added more vegetable oil, the food coloring pushed down and mixed into the water, but never mixed into the vegetable oil. However, that Alka-Seltzer that had been stuck in the syrup pushed itself up to the water and started to dissolve. Okay, and so we finally had a fun little reaction going with that one. And so we had a fun little reaction happening with that, but we'll let you see it as well. So Finn wants to put it in. Go ahead and drop that in there, Finn. And as you see, it went right by the, right through the vegetable oil. He's going to put one in too. And down into the water section. It actually doesn't go into the corn syrup, though, because it doesn't dissolve down there. And so right away, we're getting that really fun lava lamp action. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then this jar, I added some fresh corn syrup. And then I added some cold blue water that I dyed. And then some people from our osmosis lab weren't really sure, was the vinegar or the water more dense? Their densities are actually so similar, I doubt they'll stay on different levels. But the best way to test it is to test it. So I'm going to pour the red vinegar, I made it red because vinegar is an acid, on top of our blue water and see what happens. And as you can see, their densities aren't really different enough to cause it to separate. So now we just have this dark purplish color in the middle, okay? But if you guys are like me, you might be thinking, wait, now my water's more acidic. Okay, I'm going to be putting my vegetable oil on top because, again, that's what gives us that image of like a lava lamp type mixture. So I'm going to use up all my vegetable oil. Hopefully I don't need to bake later this week. And now I'm going to let my kids do the magic of putting the Alka-Seltzer in. Before they do, though, because food coloring makes everything better, we're going to go ahead and add a few drops of food coloring on top of the vegetable oil and see if anything happens when they go ahead and add the Alka-Seltzer. So here comes Evie and Finn to add our Alka-Seltzer. And there we go. So as you can see, the reactions are happening really quickly this time. 8th graders, I want you to think as to why we might be having faster and bigger reactions as they are hitting our center mixture. Again, that corn syrup at the bottom is really doing a whole lot of nothing other than providing another layer. We're getting a really volatile, cool-looking reaction, though, because our mixture was slightly different this time. I stopped talking because I think you can probably hear it. All of the bubbles popping. All right. So again, if you can make a connection to our current science units with this fun observation that I did today, great. If it doesn't do anything other than motivate you to make some really gross but kind of cool, colorful tubes in your kitchen with Alka-Seltzer and liquids, then have fun. Love and miss you all. Bye. Say bye, guys.